Hello everyone, welcome to my next video for DIY patent. In this video we'll be covering your title. Your title is very important. It should convey exactly what your invention is very clearly. To start off with, it doesn't have to be, don't make it too long. I recommend around or below at 10 words, but it should be it should give a very clear idea of what your patent is. For example, if you're making a water filter that is eco-friendly water filter, it might be a good title. Things like that. If you're making an algorithm, I recommend you have your method and the system in the title. An abstract algorithm or a method solving problem may not be approved by a patent examiner sometimes, but if the method is combined with a computer or a mobile application, type a name or processors or mention the memory or storage, that would work. So you want to put your title in the first page in all caps, or just make the font size very big, and below it you want to write your full name. So if you check below, you will see an example of a title that I scripted up. So I'll see you guys in the next video.